Here we keep pigs, we water them, we feed them. The meat we sell or eat ourselves. But the waste comes here. It is not really waste. We put it into sludge management, make fertilizer for our fields. So this is the canal that takes waste material from when the piggeries are cleaned up. The waste comes through here. It runs down. Let's just walk down this. Yeah. And that way it will be faster than what we do. Yeah. We want to stop this kind of throwing the fecal material. They get this from the canal. Then when this rots up, it is carried. It is taken to is taken to the fields. At the moment you can smell it, but if we take it to that processing parlor there, within 7 days it doesn't even smell. You can touch. Yes. And so what we have decided to do is to dig here and make a concrete receiving bay for the lagoon, so that it will be easy to collect. It will be easy to collect the fecal material from the piggery, and then that is sludge management that I talked about will be easy to do. And like when you just heap there, it's very difficult. So we'll soon build this. I'll show you pictures or another follow-up video when this is done. So that apart from the fecal material coming here, the water will also be removed through some holes on the side. Yes. And so we'll get back the water and we'll get the solid sludge and we'll manage that, process that, put it. So here we run what we call a closed economy. Nothing goes to waste. It's not open. Like you produce a plastic and you don't know where it will end up. Here we keep pigs, we water them, we feed them. The meat we sell or eat ourselves. But the waste comes here. It is not really waste. We put it into sludge management, make fertilizer for our fields. And soon we'll be selling this fertilizer, because a lot of people used to ask and we were giving them, but now they want to use on a large scale. On the scale like ours. We use it on 2 hectares of land. Then we said, okay guys, you need to buy. Thank you.